Since the market seems to forget it's in a recession, be careful of this rally. If 2022 taught us anything, it's to manage risk and only buy when companies are at a great value. While inflation and commodity data may show a peak, there are still plenty of headwinds we need to be aware of. We need to look at food shortages, pay attention to the housing market, make sure the Fed doesn't surprise markets, and the Ukraine crisis is still ongoing. As investors, we want to be prepared for anything. Ways we can prepare for another crash, however far in the future, is by making more money, keeping more cash in your portfolio, buying safer investments, and buying recession-proof companies at undervalued prices. In this video, I will show you an update of my $52,097.13 high-yield dividend portfolio. This is an interactive invest with me, where you can track your dividends using my free dividend tracker linked below and retire early with me. We will discuss the overall portfolio, what I bought this week, stock news, and be sure to stay until the end to see what stocks I'm buying next week. As a disclaimer, this is about 10% of my overall portfolio, and I mainly invest in index funds and dividend ETFs. I just wanted to share this with you to give you some motivation to start or continue investing. This is not financial advice. I am just an NYU finance and accounting student on the interwebs. Let's get into it. My overall portfolio is now at $52,097.13. This is down 10.40% yield to date, beating the S&P 500, which is down 11% yield to date. I have a high allocation in high yield income ETFs. This portfolio is mostly high yield, but as I have said for about 2 months, I am rotating into undervalued dividend growth stocks. Ideally, I would like 50% growth and 50% high yield. My goal is to get $1,000 a month in dividends. Total earned dividends are $3,261.06. Top holdings include ticker symbol QYLD at 25% of the portfolio. I'm holding these shares and buying dividend growers with the cash I received from QYLD each month. This yields 11% and follows the NASDAQ. Additional income is received from selling covered calls. M1 Finance doesn't allow options, so QYLD is a good choice for me. This portfolio is mostly about income right now. Next, we have JEPI, JEPI, which is the JP Morgan High Yield Income ETF. It yields 7.5% and is 22.9% of my portfolio. While I love how well the stock price is doing, I'm just holding this because I have too much exposure currently. My fourth holding is Main Street Capital, ticker symbol MAIN, which is a great high-yield dividend grower. This is one of the largest and best BDCs that I am happy to buy below $40 per share. It is 5% of my portfolio. I invested $50 into Microsoft after earnings proved better than expected. Most companies like ticker symbol HD, Home Depot, have given better than expected earnings and have been rewarded for it. I like to use the 3-day rule for earnings. So, for example, I waited 3 days until after Microsoft announced earnings to invest more. This is almost 1% of my portfolio. I also added 2 shares of Sachem, ticker symbol SACH, which is a riskier play that is less than $10 per share. It started in 2017 and is a smaller company than I usually invest in. The growth is there though, and they just announced increased revenue. So if management continues to hike the dividend and increases revenue, I will continue to buy. I also invested $10 into ticker symbol BNS, Bank of Nova Scotia. I absolutely love how secure the fundamentals are. Most Canadian banks have pristine balance sheets with secure dividends. Compared to US banks, ticker symbol BNS has much less debt as well. I am going to continue to invest in them. So let's head over to our tracker and add our shares. If you want me to add any stocks or features, please let me know as I update this regularly. As you know, I only put full shares into this tracker. So we're only adding 2 more shares of Sachem. This automatically brings my expected dividends for Sachem to $6.16. Total annual dividends are now $4,849.36. Now let's look at dividends. I received $13.12 from Maine, $7.46 from Stag, and 50 cents from Hercules Capital, ticker symbol HTGC, which I absolutely love, and they just announced an offering, so it dipped a little, which may be a great buying opportunity. So let's go back to the tracker and add those dividends. We'll add them to our August month. So our total dividends for August is now $21.08. This fills the charts automatically as well. While it's been a slow investing week, I did pay my tuition for the semester, so I'm hoping to add more to this portfolio soon. As for stocks I'm buying next week, I'm looking for undervalued growth companies. I'm looking to buy Target, ticker symbol TGT, BNS, Starbucks, ticker symbol SBUX, T. Rowe Price, ticker symbol TROW, Alexandria, ticker symbol ARE, and ticker symbol BX or Blackstone. I want to be more evenly allocated between growth and high yield. What stocks are you watching this week? I hope you enjoyed this quick update. I'm starting a back to school savings challenge on September 1st when the semester starts. If you want to join me, link is in the description below. Oh, and I'm also addicted to coffee, so I'm starting a coffee challenge September 1st as well. And the link below is as well. All of the savings will go into this portfolio. As always, this Supergirl investor here to save the world and make you wealthy. I love each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and let me know what stocks you're looking at next week. Have a safe and happy rest of your week. I love each and every one of you. Bye, future millionaires.